Your English buddy.
Easy English starts here.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Your English Buddy channel. I'm Zara,
And I'm Adam.
and today we're going to learn something very useful.
Hey, Zara. I need your help. I can say simple things in English like I am hungry or I am tired. But when someone asks me, what did you do yesterday? I do not know how to answer. Yesterday, my classmate asked me, so Adam, what did you do yesterday? And I didn't know what to say.
Really? You didn't know what to say?
Yeah, I just said nothing special and changed the topic. But honestly, I did a lot yesterday. I just didn't know how to explain it in English. I think I need to learn how to talk about my day.
Oh, talking about your day is super useful. You can use it in daily conversations all the time with friends, family, or even new people you meet.
Exactly. It's something everyone should practice.
Do not worry. We will practice together today. You, me, and our friends who are watching.
That sounds good. How will we do it?
I'll tell you about my full day from morning to night in simple English.
And I will ask questions when I do not understand something.
Yes, please do that.
Sounds perfect. I'm ready to learn. Tell me everything step by step.
Okay, let's start. Yesterday morning, I woke up at 6:30.
6:30. That's early.
Yes, a little early, but I like waking up early because it gives me more time. When I opened my eyes, the room was still a little dark. Only a bit of light came through the curtains.
So you woke up at 6:30 and the room was dim.
Yes, dim means not bright. After waking up, I stayed in bed for a minute. I took a deep breath and smiled because I felt calm.
Calm. You felt peaceful.
Exactly. Calm means peaceful or relaxed.
I like that. I never feel calm in the morning. I usually feel stressed.
Maybe you need a slower start. After I woke up, I sat up in bed. Then I stretched my arms high above my head.
Stretched your arms. What does that mean?
It means I lifted my arms like this, up and long, to make my body feel relaxed after sleeping.
Oh, yes. Stretching. I remember now.
Yes. Then I got out of bed and went to the bathroom. First, I brushed my teeth.
Good. Brushed your teeth. Easy.
Then I washed my face with warm water.
Warm water, not cold.
No, warm. I prefer warm water in the morning because it feels soft and gentle on my skin.
I see. So yesterday you brushed your teeth and washed your face.
Yes. After that, I tied my hair into a ponytail.
Ponytail. What is that?
A ponytail is a simple hairstyle where you pull all your hair back and tie it in one bunch.
Ah, I understand. That hairstyle looks clean and easy.
Yes. After that, I went back to my room and chose my clothes for the day. I wore a simple white top and black trousers.
Trousers means pants, right?
Yes, trousers means pants. And I chose comfortable shoes because I knew I would walk a lot yesterday.
So you were dressing for a busy day.
Exactly. After getting dressed, I went to the kitchen to make breakfast.
What did you eat?
Yesterday, I made something simple. I ate a bowl of oatmeal with fruits, some banana slices, and a few blueberries.
Oatmeal is like warm cooked oats, right?
Yes, a warm, healthy breakfast. And I also made a cup of mint tea.
Mint tea? Not coffee?
No, not yesterday. I wanted something light and refreshing.
Refreshing means it gives you a fresh feeling.
Exactly.
So you had oatmeal with fruit and mint tea. Nice and healthy.
Yes. After breakfast, I checked the time. It was almost 7:30. So I prepared my backpack.
Backpack means your school or work bag.
Yes. I put my notebook, my water bottle, my pen case, and a small snack inside.
What snack?
Just one apple.
Good. Healthy again.
Yes. Then I put on my shoes and left my dorm room.
Did you walk to class?
Yes, I walked. It takes me around 12 minutes. The morning air felt cool and fresh.
Was it crowded outside?
No, not too crowded. Just a few students walking and some people riding bicycles.
Did you meet anyone on the way?
Yes, I saw my friend Sophia. She was waiting at the crosswalk.
Crosswalk means the place where people cross the road?
Yes, we walked together for a few minutes.
What did you talk about?
She told me she had a small test in her math class, and she was nervous.
Nervous means worried or afraid?
Yes. So I encouraged her and said, "You studied well. You will do great."
Good. You're a supportive friend.
Thank you. After walking together, we reached our building. Then I went to my classroom. Yesterday, my first class was English reading class.
Oh, nice. What did you do there?
Our teacher gave us a short article about animals that live in the rainforest.
Rainforest. A forest that gets a lot of rain?
Yes, exactly. We read about colorful birds, tall trees, and different animals.
Was the article hard?
Not too hard. It was a good level for practice. After reading, the teacher asked us to answer some simple questions.
Did you answer them easily?
Yes, because the text was clear. After that, we worked in pairs.
Pairs means two people?
Yes. I worked with a boy named Noah. We talked about what animals we liked and why.
What did you say?
I said I like parrots because they are colorful and can copy sounds.
Copy sounds like talking?
Yes, some parrots can say words.
Amazing.
After the pair work, the teacher asked a few students to read aloud.
Did you read aloud?
Yes, one paragraph. I read slowly and clearly.
Good practice.
Yes. After 90 minutes, the class ended. Then it was break time.
What did you do during the break?
I sat on a bench outside the building. The weather was nice, still cool. I ate the apple I brought with me.
Did you talk to anyone?
Yes, 2 girls from my class sat with me. We talked about our next class and shared some jokes.
Jokes? Easy jokes or difficult ones?
Simple ones. Don't worry, nothing complicated.
Good, because complicated jokes confuse me.
After the break, I went to my second class.
What class was next?
Computer basics. Yesterday, we learned how to organize files and folders.
Organize means arrange properly?
Yes, we practiced creating new folders, renaming them, and moving files.
Did everyone understand?
Some students got confused, so the teacher helped them.
And you?
I understood most of it. After the lesson, we had a small practice activity.
What did you have to do?
We had to organize a messy folder on the computer. There were many files with strange names. We had to put them into correct folders: photos, documents, videos, and classwork.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I finished a little early and helped the girl sitting next to me.
That's nice.
After computer class, it was lunchtime. I went to the campus cafe.
What did you eat for lunch?
Yesterday, I ordered vegetable noodles and a small orange juice.
Did they give you the correct order?
Yes, this time everything was correct. The noodles were warm and tasty.
Did you sit alone?
No, I sat with Sophia and Noah. They both bought sandwiches.
What did you talk about?
We talked about some YouTube videos. Sophia talked about a YouTube channel named Masha and the Bear, and Noah recommended Masha's Tales.
Oh, no. That's funny.
After lunch, we walked outside for a few minutes to enjoy the sunshine. After lunch, I went to the library.
To study?
Yes, I needed to work on my science assignment. We are learning about planets.
Planets like Earth, Mars, Jupiter.
Yes, I had to write 3 facts about each planet. So I looked at a book and also searched on the computer.
Did you finish the assignment?
Yes, after 1 hour, I finished it. Then I reviewed my notes for tomorrow's quiz.
Review means check again?
Yes, I checked my notes and highlighted important parts.
Highlight means color important words?
Exactly. After the library, I went to my part-time job.
Oh, yes. You work part-time. Where?
At a small stationery shop on campus. We sell pens, notebooks, markers, and art supplies.
Was the shop busy?
A little. Many students came in to buy notebooks and pens.
What do you do at the shop?
I stand at the counter, answer questions, and help customers find things.
Did anything interesting happen?
Yes, a girl came in looking for a special purple pen she saw last week, but she forgot the name. So I helped her find it by showing her different pens.
Did she find it?
Yes, and she was very happy.
Good customer service.
Thank you. After my shift ended, I walked back to my dorm.
Did you go to the gym?
No, not yesterday. Instead, I exercised in the dorm courtyard.
Courtyard. The open space inside the building?
Yes, I did light exercises, 5 minutes of jogging in place, 10 minutes of simple workouts, and a little stretching.
Stretching again?
Yes, stretching helps my muscles relax. After exercising, I sat on a bench and drank water.
When did you eat dinner?
Around 7, I cooked a simple meal in the dorm kitchen.
What did you cook?
Rice with vegetables, carrots, peas, and corn. And I also made a small bowl of soup.
Did you eat alone?
No, my roommate joined me. She cooked eggs and shared a little with me.
That's nice.
Yes, we talked about her day. She said she had a long class and felt tired.
Did you help her with anything?
I washed the dishes after dinner. After dinner, I relaxed for a while. I sat on my bed and watched a short travel video on my phone.
Travel video. What place?
A video about Japan. It showed cherry blossoms, food, and trains.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, very relaxing. After that, I wrote in my small journal.
Journal. A daily diary.
Yes, I write 3 or 4 sentences about my day.
Good practice.
After journaling, I brushed my teeth again, washed my face, and changed into my pajamas.
Pajamas means sleep clothes.
Yes. Then I set my alarm for 6:30 the next morning.
Same time as yesterday.
Yes. After that, I turned off the lights, lay down, and fell asleep around 10:45.
10:45. Not too late.
Yes. And that was my whole day from morning to night.
Wow, Zara. That was a full, busy day. Let me review it to make sure I understand. In the morning, you woke up at 6:30, stretched, brushed your teeth, washed your face, got dressed, made oatmeal with fruit, drank mint tea, packed your backpack, and walked to class.
Correct.
Then you walked with Sophia, went to English class, read about rainforest animals, worked in pairs, and then had a morning break.
Yes.
After that, you went to computer class and learned how to organize files.
Right.
At lunch, you ate vegetable noodles and orange juice with Sophia and Noah.
Yes.
In the afternoon, you studied in the library, finished your science assignment, and then worked at the stationery shop.
Correct.
In the evening, you exercised in the courtyard, cooked dinner with your roommate, watched a travel video, wrote in your journal, and slept at 10:45.
Perfect summary.
Zara, thank you. This helps learners so much. Now I have a clear example of how to talk about a full day in simple English.
Everyone watching, you can also talk about your day like this.
Yes. Start with the morning, then the afternoon, then the evening and night.
You can use simple sentences like, I woke up at dash. I ate dash for breakfast. I went to dash. I studied dash. I worked at dash. I had dinner with dash. I went to bed at dash.
And if you want, share some of your sentences in the comments.
Thank you for learning with us. If this lesson helped you, please click the like button and subscribe. See you next time on your English Buddy channel.